So why are we so focused on the industrial vertical, or let's call it industrial 4.0? Why are we so focused on that? Well, when you look at major industrial segments, manufacturing, warehousing, mining, oil and gas, energy, when you look at these, in a lot of cases, they have very large environments that they're operating in. And those environments sometimes can be quite unsafe or quite volatile. They've also got massive amounts of capital equipment, right? And they're using that equipment to cut lumber or mine. They've got trucks, they've got haulers, they've got large capital investments that they've made in equipment. And obviously they have tons of people working in these environments. So when you add it all up, computer vision can have a super powerful impact on not only improving health and safety, but actually improving productivity. And the ROI is quite high, and it's also quite easy to get going and show some real value. I'll just give you a simple example. If you're a manufacturer and you've got 5 lines running and all your entire business is about keeping that line going 24/7, and you've got equipment that's about to fail, or you've got some anomaly that's coming down the line. Maybe you're a lumber manufacturer, but there's some bad lumber that's coming in that's going to have a bad impact on the cutter. These are just some examples. You want to catch that early. Catch it before it happens. A camera that has the right application on it could do that. It could identify it, notify management, you take care of it, no downtime. Same thing on health and safety, right? You think about some really challenging environments like a mine, for example, and you want to make sure somebody's not in an area they shouldn't be that is dangerous, right? And so you see somebody going over there, even if it's by accident, somebody, or maybe it's a visitor or what have you, you want to know that, you want to get that message out, you want to take care of that situation, again, before you have some catastrophic failure and somebody gets hurt and that operating environment has to go down and so forth. Not a good thing. So there's lots of examples where cameras running the right AI applications can be super helpful, not that expensive, and really save a lot of money and a lot of time. This is why we think the industrial area is such a great focus, not only for us, but it's also one of the reasons we see some of the most innovative early adopters coming out of that environment.